Choosing the right programming language for your career is a crucial decision that can significantly impact on your professional growth. Here are 5 key points to help you make the right choice. First, understand your career goals. The first step in choosing programming language is to identify your career goals. Different languages serve different purpose. For example, if you are interested in web development, languages like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS are essential. If you are leaning towards data science, Python or R might be more relevant. For those eyeing a career in mobile app development, Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android are good options. Knowing your goals will help you to focus on languages that align with your desired fields. Research job market demand. It is important to consider the demand for certain programming languages in the job market. Popular languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript often have more job opportunities and higher salaries. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor can provide insights into which languages are in demand in your region or industry. By choosing your language that is widely used, you increase your chances of finding job opportunities and advancing in your career. Consider learning curve and resources. Some programming languages are easier to learn than others. If you are new to the programming, you might want to start with a language that has a simpler syntax and a large amount of learning resources. Python, for instance, is known for its readability and ease of learning, making it a popular choice for beginners. Additionally, consider the availability of online tutorials, courses, and community support, which can make learning more accessible and less daunting. Evaluate versatility and flexibility. Some languages are more versatile and can be used in various fields. Python, for example, is used in web development, data science, automation, and more. Java is another versatile language, popular in enterprise-level applications, Android development, and big data. Choosing a versatile language can open up multiple career paths and allow you to pivot if your interest changes over time. Think about long-term viability. Technology evolves rapidly, and some programming languages become obsolete. It's essential to choose a language that has strong community support and is likely to remain relevant in the future. Languages like C++, Python, Java, and JavaScript have been around for a long time and show no sign of disappearing. By choosing a language with a long-term viability, you ensure that your skills will stay valuable in job market for years to come. By carefully considering these factors, you can select programming language that align with your career goal, has a strong job market demand, is easy to learn, versatile, and has long-term viability. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please do subscribe. If you are watching it on Facebook or Instagram, then please follow me for more such content.